Good morning, children. Welcome to all of you. Today in this class we have to know what is in, on, near, behind, beside, in front of and under. Okay. We already known what is in, on. In, the pen is in my hand. Now the pen is in the book. The pencil is in the pencil box. On, the pen is on the table. The globe is on the table. The pencil box is on the table. The book is on the table. The pen is on the book. The pencil is on the the pencil box is on the book. Okay? Do you understand what is in, what is on? Another thing, the spoon is in the glass. Okay? What is in, what is on? Now, let us understand what is behind. Behind, it means in Oriya, behind, pachare. Behind, pachare. This is a pig. This is a dog. The dog is behind the pig. The dog is behind the pig. Now, the pig is behind the dog. Okay? Behind. The pig is behind the globe. Behind. Do you understand? The pig is behind the dog. The dog is behind the pig. Understand? Behind. Pachare. Behind. In front of. In front of. It means samnare. Samnare. The globe is in front of me. The dog is in front of the pig. The dog is in front of the pig. Now, the pig is in front of the dog. In front of samnare. The pig is in front of the dog. The dog is in front of the pig. In front of samnare. Okay. Behind pachare. In front of samnare. Let us understand beside. Beside the teddy. This is a teddy. The teddy is beside the globe. The teddy is beside the globe. Beside parshware ba side re. Side re. Beside. In front of samnare. Behind pachare. Okay. पिला माने एकु मन रखिबा आमे सामनारे इन फ्रंट ऑफ पछरे बिहाइंड पार्श्वरे हां साइड रे beside रे the globe is beside the teddy is beside the globe. This is a dog. This is a pig. The pig is beside the dog. The dog is beside the pig. Understand? The dog is beside the pig. The pig is beside the dog. The dog is हमें कंपेयर करी बुझिबा पिला माने कंपेयर करिबा the dog is beside the pig is beside the dog. Now the dog is in front of the pig. The pig is in front of the dog. In front of samnare. The pig is in front of the dog. Okay? In front of, behind. The dog is behind the pig. Dog ta pig pachare achi. The dog is behind the pig. Okay? The dog is behind the pig. The pig is in front of the dog. Pig ta dog ra samna re achi. But the dog is behind the pig. Dog ta pig ra pacha pate re achi. Okay? Behind, in front of. Beside parshware. But beside, the cup is beside the glass. I can say the cup is behind the glass. Okay? The cup is beside the glass. The glass is near the globe. Near it means pakhore, but beside, parshware, side. The glass is beside the globe, but the glass is near the globe. The glass is near the globe. The cup is near the globe. The cup is near the glass, but the cup is beside the glass. Beside, parshware, ता साइड रे रहलो को हमें beside कहबो पिला माने हैला. बट नियर माने पाखा पाखी कोठी भी रही गले हमें नियर कहबा. नियर पाखा पाखी कोठी भी रहिला एको हमें beside कहि परिबा नहीं. Beside means साइड रे पूरा रहले beside कहबा. बट the cup is near the glass. The cup is near the globe. The glass is near the globe. The glass is beside the globe. Do you understand what is beside, what is near? Understand? Beside, the side रे थिला beside कहबा. पार्श्वरे, beside. Near it means पाखरे. रंजागोल is near खजुरिया कटा. दिटा प्लेस को जते बेले भी कहबा पिला माने हमें नियर कहबा. पाखा पाखी जति अछती नियर. कुकुटा is near खजुरिया कटा. गोरिल्ला is near खजुरिया कटा. ओके. बालीमी is near रंजागोड़. एमती नियर बुझेला. beside बिल्कुल साइड रे, पार्श्व रे. beside. Okay? But near. The cup is near the globe. The glass is beside the globe. Understand? The cup is near the globe. The glass is beside the globe. The cup is beside the glass. The cup is near the glass. अल्प दूरता थिले आमे नियर कहिबा. किंतु जदि बिल्कुल पार्श्व रे अछि से पार्श्व रे साइड रे अछि ताको हमें बिसाइड कहिबा. अंडरस्टैंड? सो पिले माने आज हम बुझिले इन फ्रंट ऑफ, बिहाइंड, बिसाइड, नियर. बुझि गेले? नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज अंडर. Okay. Under. What is under? Under, it means tale. Look at the chair. The dog is under the chair. Okay, under. The dog is under the chair. The glass is under the chair. Understand? Under, it means tale. On. The dog is on the chair. The dog is on the chair. The dog is under the chair. Do you understand? What is on? What is under? The pig is on the chair. The dog is under the chair. Do you understand? Under. Okay. Now let us understand what is in, on, under. The pen is in the box. The pig is on the chair. The dog is under the chair. In, on, under. Do you understand? What is in? In, vitare, on, upare, under, tare. Understand? In, on, under. And another thing, in front of, behind, beside, near. Near pakhare, beside parshore, in front of, samnare, behind pachhare. Okay. Another thing is in, bhitare, on, upare, under, tare. The dog is under the chair. Now, the dog is on the chair. The pig is under the chair. Okay. That's all. Thank you.